What going people? Big up on yourself, welcome to the channel. So, I want to share one video with you, but I need to know first and foremost, I was not drunk. The ladies thought I was drunk, but I was not drunk. Really and truly what did that happen to me is that I was tired and exhausted from them making, they're nice, you know. You can't rest when anyways, check out the video. Lawrence never drunk.
The video man, Ackeen Lawrence, behind the scene, is drunk. He's drunk. But we're gonna help him out today because we're one. The big video man, drunk as fuck.
Big bad Ackeen, you see you talk about you never yet drunk.
Alright.
And kind of video is good, so bear with that part there. It kind of blur out, but yeah, check out the video.
Look at you now.
Ackeen, come, get up. Get up.
Let me help you.
Get up now. Come, get up.
Every time you have to you're not calling me.
AV people, this is Ashley B, one Ashley B and the scenes of AV TV. He's really drunk. Look at him. Him always I catch you behind the scenes and now me they catch him. With our girl 1010. Subscribe to her YouTube channel, guys. She's new to YouTube and she's growing already. Yes, and that is Kira TV. We are assisting Ackeen Lawrence tonight.
What is it, Madu?
Say my come.
Why you're coming, bro? You cannot tell a little sister say you're coming up. Man.
How do you feel to be drunk?
Actually, you know say something, bro.
Let's see.
When do you see to get bro, so I might just go so.
How do you feel to be drunk?
Ackeen, me a come. I can't believe this.
Ackeen, come now.
Come drink the tea,
Get
come.
up.
You want when can stop it on? You want when can stop it on?
Police. Of course you want. Where the fuck you getting the police?
And that is...
Come.
Let me see here.
Anybody can drink. Come. Just, you know, want to drink this out of your spoon. Tell him if you just drink on some, you know. Come, you know, hot.
Drunken man.
Warm.
You got to beach, go shake up
You want
yourself.
me can drink.
Not in my blow.
Oh God, poor thing. You go good, baby.
You make me feel like the 30.
Come on, you know, drink nothing yet. Backside one.
So guys, this is the start of the marathon, okay? He's drunk as
Have you make your chest
he
feel
is
better?
so beep drunk he can. So Ackeen, you see this man? This is how you know this is the drunk version of you. Show the drunk version.
One
This
again.
is you drunk.
One more.
Drink some tea and cool out, boy.
One more.
And
Suppy tea, baby.
oh my God, you have so many girls
Big
around you.
baby,
You're
oh
so
my God.
beep lucky.
And this is me in the camera.
One more and then it's done. One more.
Junkin dance. Everybody junkin dance. Yes, everybody get on the junkin dance. Hey, the DJ.
Tell them what
Everybody junkin
drink a
dance.
cup of ginger tea and cool out.
Cool out.
Drink a cup of ginger tea and cool out. Give me this spoon.
Hey, everybody
Tea nice so
junkin.
far.
Hey. Girls just wanna have fun. Oh, girls wanna have fun.
Have you ever seen a drunk boy? I have never seen a boy this drunk. I've only seen Ella this drunk. I can't believe my brother he's drunk.
Ray and the nephew.
You see when Ray and the nephew come check you. You see when they come check you. They no play now. Especially when time boom. Come check you. That no wrong. Tell him.
He take Jay, Ray, and his nephew.
Why my brother not take no drink?
And him take boom.
And him
One
take
take.
apple
Jay,
vodka
Ray,
and nitro.
and his nephew.
How the fuck you
Apple vodka.
how the fuck
Then he take his apple. Then he go take his vodka. Then he take.
apple vodka was sweet.
And he take nitro.
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 Look at this.
Look what it calls. Come and show you something.
Somebody come get him.
Come and show you something. Come and show you
Somebody
something.
can learn.
J, Ray, nephew, nitro,
Boom.
apple
King.
vodka.
Somebody come get him.
Okay.
He's skin off my bed. Somebody come get him.
He's
Skin off my bed.
Face. Can't make us say Ashley B. Ashley B. Out of focus right now. We're gonna blow your. No.
Crazy. What you know about? Clean as freak.
Not blue. Wow.
You can design it.
What do I say?
Okay, so guys, I'm from New Jersey, and I just landed. Okay, so I'm from New Jersey, and I just landed in Jamaica, and it's fun. I went to a beach, and it was dirty, and they didn't want us to leave, so they said that we were unruly. In Jamaica, them say you're unruly. I wasn't unruly. I was just being, So yeah, we went to Bourbon Beach, and then my big sister here, she got so mad she had to sit in the car. She didn't come out. I was like, get out the fuck beep.
I was pissed as fuck. These people just piss me off for no reason. I'm pissed. I don't like foolish. I don't deal with.
That's why we should go to our home when we get paid to have fun and come back and work our ass off like we're slaves.
We don't want to have fun. We have to go home, take a break out,
and come
take
back.
a chill, and then we come back to work.
Period.
Understand?
So now my big brother here, he's drunk as fuck. And if we say this to him in the morning, he'll say, no, I wasn't drunk.
You're telling how I am.
No.
So,
we not talk about. Well, now we have the concrete proof of me feeding him tea and giving him to sip because I did a very bad job.
So what you have to say, let me see. Did the Ronia say they drink porridge?
I'm drinking coffee.
Why if you drink coffee?
I don't want to sleep.
you want to go again?
No.
I am with my blood clot.
Baby, you're on my bed. Okay, so Ashley B seems to be doing a very good job at shooting. Oh my god. Somebody come get her. She's fucking up my pussy. Anyways, I'm hungry right now. I need to go and look something to eat. Oh my god, she's going underneath you, big sis. She's going underneath you.
Don't do that. Don't like that. Don't do that. You're pissing me off right now.
Alright, one small thing. I do not use ladies to describe a female's character. I use it to describe their sex. Because a man cannot be a lady. I guess you don't know why I say all of this.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Ashley B, one Ashley B, and we are here in Paradise Nation, Jamaica City, in the Richard Brown Flame family household. And we have here Bad Girl Care TV. We would like y'all to go over to her YouTube channel, please guys, and give her a subscription. Turn that post notification bell on. And make sure y'all leave a thumbs up and share.
Thank you. And remember to comment.
And remember to leave a comment. She reads every comment. She sees everything.
Yeah.
And she will definitely reply back to y'all.
Yeah, I'll reply.
You have anything you want to say to the camera? Bad girl.
Who can we come on in time? Don't do it. Alright, hi guys. Thanks for your continued support. I thank you all for continuing to watch my videos. I know that I'm not that popular as yet, but I'm trying to build my page. Please help me get to 1K subscription. Thank you. Bye.
Hey guys, Care, what am I bashing in it? You have any question you wanna ask?
If I have any questions?
Yes.
No, I don't have any questions.
Mobile.
Which part?
In Albion.
Falmouth.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, if you have any questions, just text me, comment under my post, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.
Yeah guys, and that was it with Bad Girl Care TV. I know it's a girl, it's your host, one Ashley B, and we have a lot coming with.
Bye.
Bye. So guys, yeah. Hey guys, back again with Kira, the editor. As you can see, it is after 12.
Big space. And if you see your phone on no space, you
And
can't go find it.
the time is really late, but they are editing, and that is Ackeen over there doing his thing. This is me, guys, in the camera because you have to see me. See me a shake. Hey guys, what's up? You know it's your girl One Ashley B. I would love for you to run over to my YouTube channel, One Ashley B. Yes, that is how you can find me. If it's that hard, please type Shamoya Hastings. I repeat, Shamoya Hastings or One Ashley B. I think that's enough. And also run over to my Vivo channel. I have a Vivo, Ashley B Vivo. Subscribe, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below in the comment section, and please to share the video, guys. I'm coming out with a lot of great content, a lot of music videos, and a lot of songs, banger songs, tap songs, chopper song, sad songs.